In this video, I'll show you how to track text onto a wall using DaVinci Resolve. Please note that this tutorial uses the Planar Tracker, which is only available in the Studio version. Let's jump in. Select your clip in the timeline and go to the Fusion page. Make sure the Media In node is selected. Then press Shift and Space, search for Planar Tracker, and add it. In the viewer, draw a shape over the wall where you want the text to appear. In the inspector, set the tracking method to Hybrid Point Area. Then click the Track Forward button and let it analyze the motion. When tracking is done, move the playhead back to the start. Press Shift and Space again, add a Text Plus node, and delete the Merge node that appears. Connect the green output of the Text Plus node directly to the green input on the Planar Tracker. Select the Planar Tracker, change the operation mode to Corner Pin, and draw a shape over the same wall area as before. Finally, select the Text Plus node and adjust the font, size, and layout to your liking. Your text is now locked onto the wall and follows the motion of the shot.